morning, though, you're talking not as much wind out there, right?
Yeah, that's kind of the key for us today. Look at the shot this morning. Not even shaking. We hardly have
you can see the
any
mountains.
Yeah.
wind. I know. It's a nice start to the day. We are turning the corner from what we had yesterday. A little bit cooler there outside. 42 degrees. That's the current temperature. Winds south-southeast at around 7 miles an hour. And as we take you area-wide, a lot of us just dealing with about a 5 to 10 mile an hour breeze. Nothing too strong. A few spots getting above 10. Some of the strongest, though, is only at 12 miles an hour as of right now. But through the day, it is going to be cooler and breezy. Winds creeping up to about 10 to 20 miles an hour at some of the stronger locations. We're also going to track the chance for some leftover showers, mainly north and western parts of New Mexico and parts of southern Colorado. As of right now, pretty dry. We did have one brief shower moving closer towards Grants, but that has since fizzled out. But as we take you through Superstorm track, this is at 6 a.m. I'm starting the time frame. I'll stop it at noon. As you can see, that northwest corner getting some of the isolated showers, parts of southern Colorado, and then the rain chance starts to diminish as we get you into the afternoon. So really, if we see any moisture, it's going to be from now to about lunchtime, maybe even 1 o'clock for us as the system continues to pull off. But we do have the northwest flow behind this system, and that's what's going to be cooling us down for today. So still on the breezier side with the showers coming to an end up for areas in the north. But by tomorrow, the cool temperatures that we'll have today, they're going away. We'll have the winds die down and the temperatures are going to start to rebound through your Friday afternoon, and that's going to continue into your Mother's Day weekend as well. But for today, you may want to have the light jacket, not just this morning, but this afternoon, especially if you're not a fan of the 50s, because we'll have a lot of them up in Los Alamos, Santa Fe, Taos. We'll start to get into the 60s in Las Vegas and in Albuquerque. But as we take you down into the south and southeast, not too bad. Nice warm temperatures with the upper 70s and the low 80s. We'll get to 82 in Hobbs and 83 degrees in Carlsbad for today. But like I mentioned, this cool down really is going to be a mini cool down, a one-day cool down, because by this weekend, we're going to start to warm things right back up. Upper 70s tomorrow, then 80s Saturday and Sunday. But as we take you into your 7-day forecast, here's what you can expect for today. Southern Colorado will have the chance for some early morning showers, then turning partly cloudy and dry. A high of about 53 degrees today in Durango, 10 degrees warmer. Tomorrow we'll get to about 63 degrees. Then as we take into the north and west, we'll have the chance for isolated showers and storms, winds going down. A lot of us in the 60s, up to 63 degrees today in Farmington. Then tomorrow, also 10 degrees warmer with a high of 73, and the temperatures continue to climb for your Saturday. Into the south and west, we'll see a lot of 70s today. A few locations shy of that. Glenwood, a high of 69, in Quamato, up to only 57 degrees. But overall, not a bad day in the southwest. Partly cloudy skies with the west wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. And then this weekend, we'll be tracking the 80s. Into the south and east, partly cloudy skies to mostly sunny at times with the breezy skies. Winds west 15 to 25 miles an hour, gusting at 35 with a lot of us in the 80s. Roswell, Lovington, Carlsbad, and Hobbs all into the low 80s today. But by Saturday, Sunday, we'll be in the 90s. In the northeast, a spot storm possible, but mainly dry with a west wind 20 to 30 miles an hour, gusting at 40. We'll climb to 64 degrees in Springer and in Raton, with temperatures climbing through the next couple of days. This weekend could get a storm system rolling through. So for Mother's Day in some locations, we are going to watch for the chance for rain. The northeast region, you are one of those locations. The northern mountains, a little bit cool. Red River, Angel Fire, Chama, all in the 40s. Taos and Santa Fe will be in the 50s with the chance for some early scattered showers. Winds west 20 to 30 miles an hour. Then the next couple of days drying out with the sunshine returning and the temperatures warming. In Santa Fe will be in the 70s by this weekend. Into the East Mountains today, 58 for a high in Sandia Park and in Cedar Crest, with the chance for an isolated storm or two. A west wind 15 to 20 miles an hour. And then into the metro area, more mid 60s for today. Heights up to 65 in downtown. We'll get to 66 and 66 as well in Rio Rancho. Still breezy, winds 10 to 20 miles an hour today. But you compare that to yesterday when we had winds 25 to 35 miles an hour sustained and gusts up to about 55 at times.
Yeah.
Big difference in the weather. But you also notice the cool down. Then this weekend, it'll be nice and warm with the 80s back.
I like that. Comfortable for today and looking even better for the weekend.
That's right.
Thank you.